Hi. So my first question is, how do people actually discipline themselves to become more forgiving people? How do you cultivate being forgiving?
I like the word cultivate.
Mm-hmm.
Makes me think of soil. And so I think place really matters. Who are you surrounded by? Who are who's your community, and how are they forming you in, hopefully, if it's a church community or a youth group, we hope that you're being formed in the ways of Christ. And so just in the very aspect of where you are and who you surround yourself with, I believe that's how you can take that first step in building in this idea of being a forgiving person, which I think your question was asking about. So yeah, who do we surround ourselves with? I referenced a story in the lecture of Luke 5, where these friends bring someone who's paralyzed into the presence of Jesus, and they go to all these lengths to do that. Who would know that all that they did would be ways to cultivate forgiveness? And yet it was. God took their faith and made something much more than they probably ever knew